In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert page breaks in Google Docs. If you're working on a document and want the next section to start on a fresh page, using a page break is the cleanest and most reliable way to do it. This is especially helpful for reports, resumes, school assignments, or any document where you want better structure and formatting. Instead of pressing enter over and over to push content down, a page break keeps everything organized, even if you later add or remove text above it. To begin, place your cursor exactly where you want the new page to start. This is important because Google Docs will insert the page break immediately after the position of your cursor. So if you want a heading, paragraph, or section to appear at the top of the next page, click right before that content or at the end of the text that should stay on the current page. Once your cursor is in the correct spot, go to the menu bar at the top of Google Docs and click Insert. This menu contains a variety of tools for adding elements to your document, and it's where you'll find the page break option as well. After clicking Insert, look through the drop-down menu and select Break. When you move into that submenu, you'll see different break options available. For this task, the one you need is Page Break. Click Page Break and Google Docs will immediately insert a new page right after your cursor. You'll see the content after that point move down to the next page automatically. This makes it easy to separate sections and control the layout of your document without disrupting the rest of your formatting. A useful tip here is to use page breaks whenever you want consistent spacing in a document. Unlike manually adding blank lines, page breaks stay in place much better when the document changes. That means your formatting remains cleaner and more professional over time. And that's it. Once the page break is inserted, your new page begins exactly where you intended. It's a simple feature, but it can make a big difference in how polished and readable your document looks. That's all for this tutorial. Thank you for watching.